This is POCO M5, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So first of all, make sure that your device is connected to the internet, to the network. Then launch the Google Play Store, sign in if needed. Then at the search bar type in Opera, just like so. Once a needed app is found, click on this green install button and wait for the Opera browser to get downloaded and installed respectively. After that, we can go ahead and launch the app. In here, it is required that we undergo a very simple setup procedure. So tap on this blue continue button, then choose whether you would like to enable the ad blocking, enable tracker blocking, and enable or skip setting Opera as your default browser step. Then you also have an opportunity to customize the permissions and access and cookies and whatever that you're going to grant an access to for the Opera. So you can either customize or allow everything that it needs and start using the browser. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.